Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with backup camera ready, double step entry, spare tire, flip down travel rack, LED exterior lighting, outside storage, outside speakers, power tongue jack, stabilizer jacks, outside shower, USB charging station, front bedroom, mirrored wardrobe doors, double door refrigerator, rear bath, dual bedroom nightstands, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, entry grab handle, pull-out spray faucet, mini blinds, LED interior lighting, walk-around queen bed, over-the-range microwave, vanity with sink, flush mount gas range cover, TV mounting bracket, overhead kitchen storage, tire pressure monitors, bathroom tub shower combo. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.